Don't stop me cause I'm on a roll. Something you just can't control. Leaking all over the floor like.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. And today I'm going to be doing a slick back pony puff whatever on my 4B 4C hair, and I'm gonna do it on like an old twist out because I don't want to wash my hair yet, so I'm just put in a bun. But let's get right into the video. You can do this on freshly washed hair if you want to, but I'm gonna do it on old hair so I don't have to wash my hair yet. Then I'll just tell you guys the products I use as I go along. But let me go ahead and start. So I'm leaving it a side part right here so I can show off my new piercings. If you guys haven't noticed, I got my helix and I got just another one of these. And that's like a big deal for me because I normally don't get like piercings and tattoos and stuff. So it was pretty cool. It didn't really hurt. Like it hurt the first day or so, and then and it's like sensitive to the touch, but other than that it's fine. It's not like some type of ongoing pain for it. Like these don't hurt at all. This one is the one that only hurts sometimes. So I recommend it. They're cute. Alright, so I'm gonna slick this down first, and then I'm gonna worry about the middle and the back and all that. But I'm gonna just take my spray bottle and get it just a little bit wet. So you want to have multiple hair ties for this step. Just you'll see. So like I'm gonna slick this back with one hair tie and work my way around because you're not gonna be able to get it all down in one go. If you have hair like mine, you know what I mean. You know what I'm trying to say. It's not gonna take forever, but it's a process. But I found a way to make the process a little bit easier and more efficient. So if you guys ever had like a perm back in the day, you want to put the gel on. Okay. So first off, I'm using the wet line gel because I bought it for a wash and go. But now I have like so much gel. So I'm like, okay, I guess I'm gonna just use this now. But Eco Styler works just as fine. Eco Styler worked good on my hair and it got the job done. And you want to put it on by layers so you can get it as flat as possible. And you want to take a brush like this or whatever brush that you like to use and just work it in like that. But you don't want to worry too much about your edges because we will focus on those later. You see that? Super, super flat. And if you wrap it correctly, it will last you a good couple of days before it starts to flake up and lose its cuteness. So you want to take that, keep it in the ponytails, let it sit tight while you work on the rest of your head. This back part right here, like right here, you don't have to put a whole lot of gel on that because you still want your puff to be full. You don't want your puff to have like a whole bunch of gel on it. So you don't want to have all of your hair on the top just going like that. You want to take the back. It don't have to be like a perfect part, but you want to just have your part in the back sectioned off. Then you want to put that straight down, and then we focus on getting this down last. All right, now we on the front. So this top part of your hair, you want to have the most gel on that part. But that's what I like to do, because the top of my hair, this part right here, it loves to lift. But my hair's a little bit longer since the last time I did one, so it might not lift this time around. Wait, do y'all hear that? If it don't sound like that, then you don't have enough gel in your hair. If you're wondering what size hair ties I use like nothing special. I got them from Target or the dollar store. I don't know. They might be at Target and a dollar store, to be honest. So here's how it looks so far. You can stop here if you want to, but I don't want to do that. So I'm gonna add some baby hairs. I think I'm gonna just, nothing crazy, just like a little swoop and maybe a couple of swoops. But I'm 19, I'm getting old, so y'all not finna see me do any like super dramatic baby hairs anytime soon. But also, okay, EBIN Edge Tamer. This is the best thing for hair like mine. Other stuff, it just kind of doesn't hold up throughout the day, if you know what I mean. Like your edges won't lift when you use this edge control. I've been using it for a while now. It's like, I'm cheap, so it's a little bit on the pricier side, but it's worth the money. And then got the edge brush from the same brand, I think. I just got it off from the hair store, but I think they have them on Amazon too. Let me move the mirror so you can see what I'm doing. I should have let this dry first before I did my baby hairs. Now it's hard. Not my hair is hard, but everything I just laid is low-key lifting. Okay. My makeup just came off. So you can take your Got2b glue, freeze spray, or if you have like a mousse, a foaming mousse, that'll work too. And just spray the top of your head, put on a scarf, and then come back in like at least 10 minutes, and then it'll be molded and you'll be good for the week. I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna come back when I'm done. I'm back. It's been a good 20 minutes because I took a break to lay down. Did y'all see that? Okay, this is super cute. The only advice I would give is don't do this look too often because too much gel on your hair is not good for your hair. It's cute. I think it'd be good for the summertime. Had a hair off your face. And if you want to be fancy or if you feel like your hair looks dry, you can take some oil sheen and just spray your hair with the oil sheen. Okay, so I changed the angle so that you guys could see it a little better. So here it is. Okay, so that's all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.